came to my friend Samir place. We have a Lexus Ls460 2014, and this is my friend new car. He bought it today only. We're gonna fix this car properly and I'm gonna show you everything on a video, guys. Right now we are on the way for the first shop to check the spare parts. Heaven for the Lexus. So the difference between the F Sport front bumper and normal, almost 3,000 dirham, guys. But I'm gonna give a little bit the sneak peek. I can say this is more than 12,000 easily. Is it correct? Hey guys, welcome to another video. This is AzooL from AzooL channel, and yes, Samir is back. Like, I'm back. This is our old time. What the fuck? How is started? And here we go, guys. We came to my friend Samir place. So the reason I came here, guys, only for one car, and this is the one. So actually I'm talking a little bit faster because of we are in the garage and a lot of noise. Everyone is looking at us, but we are not shy, Samir. So guys, this is the planned story. This will be the story for today's video, guys. As you can see in front of me, we have a Lexus Ls460 2014, and this is my friend new car. He bought it today only. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna fix this car properly and I'm gonna show you everything on a video, guys. A lot of noise, Samir. You have to go somewhere else. Let's go out. We're gonna explain everything on the car. The first thing, it's too much noise. As you can hear, as you saw it, guys, lots of noises, and of course we cannot ask those people to keep it quiet for 1 minute even, also because they're money there. We are not their bosses, guys, anywhere, but they have to work always. So this is the plan, guys. My friend Samir, as you know him, he is a really big businessman on the crash car side, guys. Basically buy the crash car and fix it, and after that he sell it, guys. So there's many cars you buy. I can say maybe sometime on a daily basis you buy 2-3. Is it true? Sometimes none. Sometimes none as well. So today he called me and he told me I need some spare parts for the Lexus 460. I said that's a good thing. So that means like you buy a 460, and the answer was of course yes, guys. So in that time I said I have to come in your garage and see the car, and of course record it properly, because I always want to record a car from zero. How was the accident, how long it's gonna take to fix it, and how much we're gonna spend and everything. I hope so my friend Samir gonna give us all the details, how much he bought, how much he gonna spend, and end of that how much he will sell it. Hope so. No. Yeah, Samir? What do you mean by no?
It's secret.
Oh my god. Come on, Samir, like I'm doing this for all the viewers, because a lot of people always commenting and people asking, like, this is a really interesting business, you know. You buy a crash car and you fix it. It's kind of how I will tell you, it's at the same time it's a business, you're making money, and at the same time it's really like people are enjoying to fix those cars. No, my friend, just kidding, guys. Of course he will give us all the prices, everything, but step by step, guys. He cannot give us everything on the first day, I promise you, guys. The car is Ls460 2014. And is it large or short?
It is short.
Okay, it's short. And the best thing, guys, except the accident, guys, the best thing is there's no any airbag damage. This is the most important thing, guys. I always say this, and of course my friend also follow me, guys. Never buy the crash car when there's airbag damage, guys. Except you get a really special price. Before that, guys, no, it's gonna give you a lot of headache to fix those airbags. Anyway, guys, the first thing, guys, the car have a really special color, guys. We call it titanium, you know. It's called silver dark titanium color.
Me, I call it gray.
You call it gray, but we call it this way, guys. Anyway, from inside out, from interior, guys, from inside also it have a really good color. We call it orange. You call it Zaffarani? Yeah? Zaffarani, yeah. Zaffarani. Zaffarani is a very expensive, what do you call? We can say plant, we can say flower. Yeah, of course, from interior also, it's a really good color. It's properly matching from the color from outside, from the body as well, guys. So this is a really good choice my friend did, guys, to bought that car, guys. So right now here I am to help him, and of course he gonna help me as well to record some videos about this car, guys. This is the plan for today video. First thing, we have to go search for the spare parts, because we already make our list. We know what exactly we need for the car, guys. Not many parts, but of course the 460 is really expensive. What are you saying? This is the list. Okay, yeah, this is the list. Right now we are on the way for the first shop to check the spare parts, guys. Hopefully we find everything on the same place and a very good price. Samir, take the first right. So this is our first place, guys. Jisr Al Medina. Go, always, you know, I stop here and I hit that tire. You have to do the same thing. I do always.
No, man.
Okay, you're a good guy. Let's go inside.
ये लड़का
ये लड़का
मैं लड़का
तो लड़कियों shut up. Anyway, okay. So we came to our first place to check the used spare parts.
We are searching for the cheapest.
We are searching for the cheapest. I think much better to go for the biggest. So we did the same thing, guys. This is the biggest, I can say easily, the biggest shop which have all of them for the Lexus. Heaven for the Lexus. Anyway, so we came here, guys. Let me talk to the owner of the place. We're gonna give him our proper list. We'll tell him what exactly we need the parts, and after that we're gonna see what's the price. Maybe we're gonna check some other place as well. Do you think, or no? We can find everything in here.
We can find everything here.
I think so. We can find easily.
I think so. He'll give us the best price.
Hope so. He'll give us the best price. Yeah, let's go. So Samir, before they are checking the spare parts, I want to show you some crazy cars. Okay, this is the first one. This is the Lexus RCF. So this is the original F. So that means the car have a V8 engine.
No.
This is one of the special one. Yeah.
It's not V8.
Samir, you're.
We'll open the hood and we'll...
Yeah. The first thing you have to know from this, what do you call it? It's not the car. ये कौन सा 6 cylinder या 8 cylinder? It's 8 cylinder. And except that, the other special car, like I think most of the people also doesn't know, Samir. This is the one, the new generation for the LS500. So this I think comes only from 2018 starting model. 2018 saya? 19, not 18 as well, guys. By the way, if anyone need any information about the place, guys, I'm gonna put all the information about this shop. I already did in my other videos. You guys need anything, you can check them out. So we make our list, and it was really like long time we talk about it. It's almost getting dark, Samir. So we make everything finalized, guys. And they're really fast, guys. They already open all the parts, guys, what we need. The first thing, guys, on the left side, mechanic part, we need everything, guys. Yeah, we have the axle, we have all the link rod, we have the, what do you call it? I call them, you know, normally all of them guys, but it's really heavy.
Good, they give me with everything.
They give you with sensor, everything.
Even the
brake pad, yeah. It's brand new, I can see that, yeah. So this is all the mechanic part, and this is all, again, we can call it mechanic part as well, yeah. So we have the jump in as well, we have the link rod. Call it this part. I don't know. Sure. So why you didn't put the F Sport package? So we have two options for the Lexus. We have the normal one, we have the F1. So this is the pumper for the F Sport.
If you give it to me but the same price,
I think so. You're gonna give you the same price. We can get two benefits for this. You know what? First of all, the color is not the same. Yeah, I thought it's the same. It's not the same. Anyway, so the color is not the same, but of course this will look more like. ये नहीं देगा? F Sport?
ये 8,000 का बम्पर है, ये उसका है।
I think
free. So the difference between the F Sport front bumper and normal, almost 3,000 dirham, guys. So this is the other part as well. Actually, this place is really fast, guys, and everything is organized, guys. I can see, and they're really fast. Suspension, we need this part as well, but we don't need the complete. But they're good. They give us this side, yeah, this area, only this area. But it's good. They give us free. Anyway, so this is the body part, and this is all the mechanic part. And what about the pumper? And of course we need the fender as well, yeah?
Left fender.
Left side fender. Yeah, so this is, I think, the most expensive part from here, guys. The front bumper, completely. So right now we find all the parts, guys. This was the most, I think, the big one, and of course the most expensive one as well. The front bumper complete. and after that we have our frame as well on this side, and this is all the mechanic part. So I think ready from here. Now let's go to garage. We're gonna load it on this pickup, then we're gonna go to garage. Let's go. So this part I'm not supposed to record, but I'm gonna record it, guys. But of course Samir not gonna let me to record the total amount, but I'm gonna give a little bit the sneak peek. I can say this is more than 12,000 easily. Is it correct?
No.
Oh shit. So it's amazing weather, guys, and I think we start for the first day, guys. We start really good, Samir. We check the car, we make our list, we came here and we find a really good deal with all spare parts.
Yeah.
I think it's a good day, guys. So what do you think? We have to end our video here, and of course come tomorrow and we're gonna see what exactly garage gonna do. So before I end the video, guys, it will be really interesting. We'll see what you guys guessing. So this is the question for today's video, guys. How much do you think Samir bought the car? It's a Lexus 460 2014 without airbag, and the accident is really low, guys. Comment down below and tell me how much do you think he bought the car. So there's two questions, guys. I need you guys, everyone who's watching this video till to the end, go down and comment down what do you think, how much he bought the spare parts, the first question, and how much he spent on the spare parts. I'm gonna tell you everything once we finish the complete car, and of course review the car with the everything price, and hope so on the same day we sell it, it will be amazing. Then we're gonna show the people how much we sold it. What do you think?
How much the profit?
How much the pure profit, guys. Anyway, guys, thank you so much if you guys make it till to the end, and yeah, hope so tomorrow. Yeah, and tomorrow we'll go to, and of course this is the plan for tomorrow, guys. I'm gonna go early morning to Samir garage, and of course I'm sure you're gonna be sleeping, but I'm gonna go there, and I think what they're gonna do the first thing on the garage, they have to open the old item. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna go there, and of course we're gonna see how the days goes on. Thank you so much, and like always, peace.
Be happy.
Be happy.
To record. No, I'll turn it on and then I'll record.
No, because like this you spend so much the battery. Some you are recording now. So this is behind the scene. Like people who was watching this video till to the end only can see this kind of videos.
Yeah.
Like what you're doing in this video?
I'm driving.
You're driving. So people who's watching this video till to the end, they can get the reward to see how Samir is driving. Is that correct?
Yeah, who won't see my driving?
They have to watch this video till the end.
I wish I will not get any fines.
Yeah, to be honest, guys, what he talk about the fine, I'll tell you the story. On a monthly base, guys, my friend Samir easily he get fined around like 4,000, 5,000 if he's lucky. Sometimes if he goes more on the trouble, guys, he give fine more than 10,000 plus as well. Like what you're driving this?
Crazy driver.
Crazy driver.
You remember the game?
Oh my god. And now if he was accident, this will be a really funny video. It will be a really viral video.